What's up, guys? Pepe here with another updates. This time the GMC Sierra 1500 we bought with a friend. That's the leak over there. NSX is in the garage waiting for time for me to finish the seats and all that kind of stuff that you guys already saw some videos about it. So here's the truck. I wanted to do a time-lapse video of it, but as you can see, it's raining and we have this tarp, and it has been raining for so long that my friend doesn't have a garage yet. This is going to be one of the projects next. And so we put it together. Heads are on, everything is on, and yesterday we fired up and it fired up really well. So yeah, so I'm putting the headers now and tidying all that up. Need to torque them now, connect the cables back again, and we are going to be able to move it for the first time since we bought it after with the head gasket job. Although we didn't see any leaks, but we haven't finished with that yet. We need to let it run, see if it leaks, and then do the transmission, and I think that will be it for now. And then we need to see how it runs. But fired up at the first crank, which was amazing after we put everything together, and it's all painted and all. So yeah, we'll paint the engine bay at some point and make it look really nice. But so far, that's the update. We have been working non-stop on this thing. Small block 350 with the worst heads in existence, but you know, it works. So for what we need, we don't need a performance truck. So anyhow, I will continue going, and yeah, let's finish torquing.